Hello everybody, my name is Isabel of PALMARY Machinery Company.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to PALMARY Live today. Actually, in 2020 is not really a good year. So what do you think about this year, Isabel?
Is an extremely unfortunate year in human history. The COVID-19 has changed everyone's lifestyle, but it is also an opportunity for labor patterns to begin to change. Long-distance work is not just a simple matter of working at home. It is not just a transition plan for advanced development in the virus period. It will bring huge change to the future labor market, and the long-distance work model will gradually enter to major impact of your life on overall labor market. Vanessa, do you think COVID-19 has changed industrial supply chain?
With increasingly global competition, companies are all thinking about how to extend the economy scale and reduce production costs. Thus, smart technology has become a trend gradually. Most companies require automatic solutions to reduce capital expenditure and increase productivity. So, Isabel, what's your anticipation on the industrial automation?
In the current production automation, industrial robots, machine tools, and industrial computers are all important applications. They allow manufacturers to reduce part of the manpower on the production line, achieve production goals more efficiently, and in the process of manufacturing industrial robots, machine tools, and other mechanical equipment, and in the production equipment that will be used in the semiconductor and the optoelectrical industries, we can see that there is an indispensable part. Without it, this device will not run smoothly. Without it, these products will not be able to achieve the accuracy required by the industry. Therefore, the part is known as a small screw in the mechanical equipment. It can also be said the transmission components are indispensable parts of automation equipment. Vanessa, what is the transmission components?
The so-called transmission parts include ball screw, liner slide, ball line, and single-axis robots. They are not only used in smart factories such as manufacturing, aerospace, and automobile industry. The most represented brands like Japanese Seiko, THK, Bosch, and European SKF, Schaeffler, and so on. Besides, transmission part has been booming recently. According to British Research Institute, Technoville, ball screw and the liner slide are the majority of transmission use.
Let's talk about the transmission parts application. We use model OCD 42x20P CNC cylindrical grinder with angular wheel head with plunge grinding. It can grinding phase and OD at one time, and also adapt with synchronous tail stroke. It can driving the parts directly and without the other cam lock or driving parts, to shorten the setting and cycle time, and suitable for auto-loading-unloading attachment application. The machine spec. Swivel of table is 420 mm. Distance between center is 200 mm. Maximum grinding diameter is 400 mm. Maximum loading between center is 115 km. Machine feature with synchronous tail stroke, angular wheel head with 30 degree, workhead spindle with servo motor controller, the grinding wheel spindle with hydrostatic bearing, cable slide with hydrostatic lubrication system, optional accessory with the in-process gauge with touch probe gauge, with wheel head balancer, diamond roller dresser, synchronous tailstock. Synchronous tailstock features. It can achieve the roundness below 0.4 micron. Optional with the auto-loading cylinder correction. Features. The workhead driving and the tailstock driving is together. It can shorten the cycle time. Application. It's not only for the transmission parts, but also applying for the shifter parts grinding two ends without any driving dog. The ball screw nut face and OD grinding. Angular wheel plunge grinding the OD and face at two end driving to increase grinding efficiency.
Thank you all for being here. Welcome to PALMARY Live Broadcast. This is Vanessa. Wondering how this machine can complete this kind of grinding job? You are going to have a better picture of the actual application, so please stay focused on the following. One of the most important things is the controller. We have several brands provided to our customers depends on their demands, including Mitsubishi, Siemens, Fager, and Phonak is one of our standard options, which is used as majority around the world. On the purpose of user-friendly, PALMARY developed a graphic interface. Our customer can find it easy understanding through icons and text field to set up each grinding steps, including plunge, oscillate and plunge, traverse, multi-plunge, face traverse, right taper and traverse, right angle plunge, and right shoulder. Even allow you to create the grinding path for certain profile pieces. This page is the original shape of the existing wheel, and we can create a dressing profile as customer requests. The machine is named as OCD 4220P. The swallowing diameter on workhead is 420 mm, and the distance between two centers is 200 mm. What exactly the model P means? P is for plunge type. The grinding wheel is plunge type but with angular grinding wheels. All OCD series features in hydrostatic system to avoid metal-to-metal friction and has better damping effect. Now let's move to grinding process. The dressing roller disc has better durability, in particular profile dressing. Angular grinding wheel will be dressed both face and OD mutually to ensure right shape. C-axis for specific angle. Then the function of touch probe is to do the positioning before grinding wheel in feet, avoiding back crash or danger. While grinding, OD in-process gauge will stretch out, gripping the part for size control, and the signal will be transmitted back to the controller for auto offsets. The transmission parts are applied on a variety of industries. In PALMARY, we also have a great amount of experience on automation. In next chapter, you are going to realize what more application in grinding field with our sharings.
Universal grinder load two angle wheel head for two side junior parts and one clamping grinding application. With robust auto system to achieve the mass production requirements, non-label auto control and industrial 4.0. Equipped with two external wheels, two flexible applications, which is good for multi-phase outer diameter grinding while clamping at one in order to keep the high accuracy and quantity. Matched with Marple's OD gauge, it can control OD accuracy to increase the production efficiency and grinding accuracy. inside the safety door gantry loading and unloading system. It can save the safety door open-close time. It matches with cylinder. Auto cam locking driving the parts to reduce the auto loading and unloading and grinding time. Applying auto shifter with multi-step OD plunge grinding application. The roundness and the cylindricity accuracy can be achieved to 1 micron. Suitable for mass production automation and industrial 4.0.
The machine is equipped with automation including vibratory feeder and gantry loader. For the demand of light-out factory, we don't need an operator to stand by for workpiece arrangement anymore. Vibratory feeder can arrange parts in a row before grinding. Meanwhile, it has CCD to ensure the right loading directions. Parts will automatically put onto the blade by gantry loader and grind 3 pieces at one time to elevate the productivity.
Thank you for attention today's video. If you are interested in our video, please give us a good on YouTube.
You also feel free to get more details on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So please stay tuned, we'll come back soon.
See you next time.